Have you ever wondered what secrets the universe hides in its celestial web? Imagine a galaxy not unlike our own, but with an eerie Arachnid twist. Welcome to the cosmic realm of the Spider Galaxy, an irregular galaxy that challenges our understanding of the cosmos. The Spider Galaxy, officially known as UGC 5829, resides a staggering 30 million light-years away from us. Its name, a testament to its uncanny resemblance to an arachnid, is thanks to the distorted galactic arms that stretch out like the legs of a spider, glowing with the birth of new stars. The NASA ESA Hubble Space Telescope has recently captured an image of this fascinating galaxy, offering us a glimpse into its starry expanse. The data for this image was meticulously collected through two observing programs, one focused on nearby galaxies, studying the color and brightness of stars, while the other delved into the star clusters in dwarf galaxies, aiming to understand the environments where stars take shape. The Spider Galaxy is not your typical spiral or elliptical galaxy. It belongs to a class of galaxies known as irregular galaxies, defying the usual symmetrical shapes we associate with galaxies. These cosmic oddities offer astronomers unique insights into the diverse and dynamic nature of the universe. In the image captured by Hubble, bright pink nebulae steal the show. These vibrant regions are the cradles of star formation in UGC 5829. The nebulae's radiant color is a result of the intense heat and light emitted by the newborn stars within them. This spectacle is a testament to the continuous cycle of star birth and death that keeps the universe alive and evolving. The discovery of the Spider Galaxy serves as a reminder of the vastness and variety of the universe, a place where galaxies can resemble spiders and stars are born in glowing pink nurseries. It underscores the importance of space exploration and the role of telescopes like Hubble in expanding our knowledge of the cosmos. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, the Spider Galaxy is a unique thread. Its discovery has not only added to our understanding of irregular galaxies, but also shed light on the environments that give birth to stars. The Spider Galaxy, with its star-forming tips and bright pink nebulae, is a vivid reminder that the universe is a place of infinite variety and ceaseless wonder. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember the Spider Galaxy, a celestial arachnid weaving its web in the cosmic expanse, reminding us that the universe is teeming with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Today's discovery is tomorrow's knowledge, and who knows what celestial marvels await us in the depths of the universe.